Hey, this is Greg Eifler, and I wanted to present to you a couple of websites for students to use that both create independence and allows them to network with other students or people across the world that have the same interests that they do in either creating things, just doing projects, and the other site has a worldwide biodiversity project that anyone can participate in. So the first site that I wanted to present to you was called DIY.org. And so DIY, obviously do it yourself. This is completely geared toward kids. Only kids can join. Up to 16 years old, 16 and under can join. Obviously parents can guide them through projects, but they're not allowed to join the website. So if they do join, a student can have the website generate a nickname for them. Push hexaflexagon sounds pretty good. I don't really care for the fact that you can see the password that you can that you're selecting for yourself. So obviously you'd want kids to be careful who's looking over their shoulder. And these account details, obviously they won't be publishing, but if your birthday shows that you are over 16, then they're not going to allow you to join. So anyway, it is an easy sign up. And so basically the way this works, students can, or kids can independently figure out the skills or the types of crafts that they're interested in. And then they get badges for completing the challenges. And people can give them feedback, all their colleagues on the site. And these patches can actually be the real patches, not just digital patches. So it kind of feels like a Boy Scout, Girl Scout thing in a little way. That's a cool 3D printer or a laser cutout for holding the patches. But so all these all these badges are kind of like the micro credentials we use in APS. And they do moderate this site, so the moderators keep this safe for kids just to play and learn. And you have a bunch of testimonials of people that have used the site, and so you can see the types of projects that people are doing. There's a lot of artwork, photography. The student made a cake. There's some stop motion animation. And of course, this is related to challenges that they are trying to earn a badge. Some origami here, it looks like, which is pretty cool. And so some of these are the badges, animator badge, archer badge. Again, it kind of feels like a Boy Scout, Girl Scout type thing. Baker, bead maker, that looks pretty cool. But again, this is designed to foster some agency and independence in kids and just get them working independently on projects. The next site that I'd like to present to you is called Project Noah. Obviously, that's a reference to Noah of the Bible. But regardless of that, this is basically a biodiversity site where you use your mobile phone with an app to collect pictures of organisms. And so you can sign up and just go out in your backyard, take pictures of organisms that you're finding in your backyard. I know in my back porch last year there was a really cool orb weaver spider that was probably something I could have uploaded here. Took a picture with my cell phone. And so basically once you signed up, and it tells you all the categories, the classifications of organisms that you can document, and you'll find your own community. which is cool. And so students can again interact with people from around the world. Of course, adults are on the site, so you just have to be aware of that. But you download the app off the iOS App Store, or you download for Android, and you can just spot the organisms. And literally, scientists are on here helping to classify and categorize these animals that you find, and you're participating in ongoing research. So I thought that was really cool, an easy way for students to participate in something larger than themselves, and can be a quick project for you to do in your classrooms as well. So hopefully you can find some usefulness in one of those two sites, and I'll see you next time.